a short video on name and surname, igama nefani. To find out what the other person's name is, what is your name, you would ask, ungubani igama lakho. The u is in brackets because it's actually optional. So you could say, ngubani igama lakho. Igama is the name, lakho belonging to you. Ngutom, it is Tom. Igama lam. Igama lam, my name. Ngutom, igama lam. Alternatively, Tom could introduce himself by saying, I am Tom, ndi ngu Tom. You will remember the ndi from the previous slide. So, ungubani igama lakho, ngu Tom, igama lam. The surname. What is your surname? Ungubani ifani yako. Take note that it is now yako, not lako as in the previous slide with igama. Ungubani ifani yako. Ngopo is my surname. Ngu ngopo ifani yam. Ifani yako, ifani yam. Ngu, that is what it is. And because you might find the surname difficult to spell, you may ask, Nceda. Nceda literally means please or help me. Nceda, Bela, spell. Ifani yake, yako, I beg your pardon. I am pleased to meet you. You would then say or could say, Ndiyavuya ukukwazi. And the response could be, Nam, me too. The same applies to me. So once more, ungubani ifani yako, ngu ngopo ifani yam, nceda bela ifani yako. And then I'm pleased to meet you. Ndiyavuya. Vuya means to be happy or pleased. Ndiyavuya ukukwazi. Nam.